Hey guys, I'm Lesley and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna start off with a new topic on the channel, Inshot Editions. Our first Inshot edition is subscribe call out for action. Let's go. Snap some pictures of yourself. Let's use this one. Okay, now let's make the call for action. Select photo. Select the photo you want to choose, we just made. Select cutout. Go to eraser because we need to erase some things. Make it small for those tight corners. Erase what we need to erase like this. And if you're ready, go ahead and save this file. Go to sticker, go to this icon and select your subscribe logo you want to use, place it and save the photo. Then we'll go to video, new, blank, go to canvas, select the background, choose this color because we need it for later. Don't choose another color, choose this one. Select your timeline and make it 7 seconds. 7 seconds is good for this call out. Go to sticker, select the sticker you want we just made. Adjust it to your liking, smaller, bigger. Place it on the left side. Let's make the sticker to the end of the video. Then cut it off, your sticker off the timeline a little bit. And also at the end, cut it off a little bit. When you've done that, place it on the white line, place your sticker against the white line, press the keyframe button and play the video. The longer you play the video, the slower your sticker will move from left to right. Then when it's at the end, play the video again and save this file. Then go to where we cut the sticker off the timeline, go to music, effects and choose bubble. Go to the end of your timeline and do the same. I'm checking if the sticker pops up. We need it to pop up and that's where we're gonna place the sound. Music, effects and transition 6. Go back, play it, see if everything's good and save. Now we're going to place it on a video where we want to place it. Go to video, select the video where you want to place it. I've got one that I made for this intro. Play it. Search at what point you want to place it. Use PIP. Select the video we just made and drag it all over the screen. You'll see the red line around it and that's when it's good. Then go to chroma, select it and drag your pointer off center. Then you'll see the video behind it. Go ahead and save it and you're done. And before we go to our final edit, shout out to Inshot. All the videos on this channel are made within the Inshot app. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up If you want to see more of this content, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out. And now let's go to the final edit. Hey guys, I'm Lesley. Welcome back. In today's video we're going to start off with a new topic on this channel called Inshot Editions.